just can't let you know.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Welcome ladies and gentlemen, it's Iceblade here with another YouTube video. So today we're looking at a UPS. Now the UPS I have here is a small one, I think it's a 650 and it has died. So mostly I've seen people throw these away or they just stack them somewhere and they gather up dust. When I asked them why they do that, they just said when they go to computer stores or wherever they purchase these UPS, the guy there just tells them it's better to just buy a new one. It's expensive to fix it or replace the parts inside.
We have a colorful graphic here that shows instances of bullshit like this are on the rise. Is that right?
Yes, although why is unclear.
Now, I'm just going to show you what I normally do when this happens to me. So what I do is I get one of these 12-volt batteries. You get them basically in any general store. And this specific one is used in security products where they use these batteries for backups in security systems. Now the right thing to do is actually to open up your UPS and see what 12-volt battery is in there. There would normally be a number behind that saying 7 or 9 AH. So what the AH means is ampere hour, or sometimes people refer to it as amp hour. So normally the higher the AH on your battery is, it should mean it's a better battery. So every UPS should be different. This one is a PowerCom UPS, and you disassemble it by turning it upside down, and then actually there should be screws. This one has 4 screws. That screws from the bottom into the top lid. So in this case, if you have the 4 screws out, you can turn it right side up again, and then the top should actually just come off slightly. And this may be the right time to mention that this is an electronic device and it does work on power. So, and power equals ouch. You don't need to disconnect every wire here. We need to get to the battery. So all we're interested in is the positive and the negative attached to the old battery, and then it would be the same with the new battery. This one is just covered in a lot of plastic, so we can take that off. Here we go. And it has a sort of like a plastic protector, covers over the positive and negative. You can take that out, and then we just disconnect the positive and the negative of this one. And then basically your battery should be free. There we go. Old battery out. Same one. And you just... So just make sure that you put in the battery the same way you took it out. Otherwise the connectors will not reach the positive and negative pole. So you can just plug it back in. Immediately it wants to beep. Okay. Close it up. That seems way too easy, right? And we put the screws back. When you have fastened the screws, you can turn it right side up again. Okay, and then you can just basically switch it on as a test. And if it works, it will start beeping because it's not attached to a power source, so it's basically running off the battery now. It's working. So there you go. You don't have to throw your UPS away. To make it easy for yourself, just open it up, take out the battery, look at what the AH is on that battery, get a similar one and put the new one back into your UPS, close it up, boom, your UPS is working again. If you find this helpful, please hit like, please subscribe. We need some friends on here, and if you have any questions about what I just said, hit me up in the comments down below. I try to answer every comment there is, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.